Hello everybody. Today I am going to make one means non-regular vegetable means it is available plenty in the market, but so many people don't prefer that vegetable, or I don't know whether they don't cook, they don't know how to cook the vegetable. Its name is, it is a yam variety, not Arabi. It is not Colocasia. This is yam variety. In Hindi, they call it Jimikand. This is Jimikand. And in our language, we call it Pidi Karanai. Pidi means mutti. Means you can hold it in your mutti. Karanai means yam. So we call it Pidi Karanai. In Hindi, it is Jimikand. And we are going to make one gravy, very tasty gravy, and it is very healthy also, and it is very effective for people having piles. Very effective. It is having some medicinal value, I heard. So today I am going to cook this yam in a pressure cooker and give 3 whistles. So the yam is pressure cooked with 3 whistles. I am mashing that. We have mashed into soup consistency. This is the vegetable root. What we have cooked, pressure cooked. I am going to add half a glass of water. It will become so thin. It will be like this. Now I am going to put a seasoning first with all these ingredients. Kept some oil, mustard seeds, started crackling. Then chana dal, two teaspoons. And some black gram split urid dal. Now you can add asafoetida, perungayam. We call this perungayam, hing, and some haldi powder, turmeric powder. Add the red chilies. The stove is on sim mode. Add curry leaves, ginger pieces, and some green chilies. No kada masala or something. We use only fresh masala. If you want to add onion, it is not a compulsory ingredient, If you want to add, you can add chopped onions at this stage. It is not compulsory. I am not going to add that. Add the salt, in that vegetable grinded into soup, you can say. This is not exactly soup. I don't. It is like a dal only. It looks like dal. You can eat it with roti also, chapati roti. It will taste great. You cook it for a while, it will become thick. Nowadays people prefer carrot, beans, cauliflower, and more than that some exotic vegetables like imported vegetables, you can say, to all our countryside regular vegetables. But these things, these vegetables suit our body, Indian bodies, better than the foreign vegetables. I heard that way. I prefer eating all these countryside vegetables. So cooking is also very easy. It tastes great. It will become thick after cooling. I'm putting the stove off and add some lemon juice in that. There's no tomato, no tamarind, nothing. So we are going to add lemon juice. We also eat exotic vegetables, imported vegetables and all. But the point is, even in our countryside vegetables, we can have very good health aspects, very good healthy aspects. Cut pannidum. We also used to eat imported vegetables, fruits and all, but even in our countryside vegetables, there are goodness. And it is very easy to cook, tasty to eat, and very healthy also. So this is pidikarane, that Jimmy Khan. I have made a colorful dish out of that. Though our dishes are not so looking so attractive, it is very tasty and very healthy. And you have to put some fresh coriander leaves upon that gravy, but it is not available with me, so I put only curry leaves.